Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Those Two Critics. And today we are reviewing War 2. We went to watch the first show. Of course, today is the first day of the movie.
Yeah, both the entries were really good. And Ritik's entry तो starting में ही हो जाती है. पहले ही है. Come on, I'm here.
I must say the man is 51 but he's aging like a fine wine. पता ही नहीं चल रहा. And of course, Kiara has acted very well. और जूनियर एनटीआर की एक्टिंग के साथ भी दोनों की केमिस्ट्री जो है वो भी बहुत अच्छी जा रही है. और जो भी मतलब आपने ट्रेलर में से एक्सपेक्ट किया होगा वो पूरा मसाला मूवी में है. Of course, there are some logical loopholes.
There was support.
They were sliding on
but
the
there comes
plane.
a scene when their support is cut and then NTR walks to the support. It's not like all time they are without support. There is support.
That you will see, you come after you watch the movie, you come back, you comment if you find it illogical or not, because this I find it illogical.
Because you don't know the logic behind it. No? Those were suction plates and they were tied with wires.
I saw it very carefully. पर वो ठीक है, मतलब एक मूवी जब आप देखने गए हो and there is junior NTR, so you expect things from it.
It's a movie. You just have to watch it. Some fun. The surprise package was really good. Mr. Anil Kapoor. We are talking about Hrithik Roshan aging like a fine wine, but Mr. Anil Kapoor, what are you? How do you do this? How are you so charismatic? I just love
so
you.
Good.
It was very good. It couldn't have been better is what I should really say. I loved it.
First half थोड़ा सा slow है because they are establishing the story. Yeah. So first half थोड़ा सा slow है, लेकिन of course हम जिस चीज के लिए देखने जा रहे हैं movie action scenes, those are really good and you are seeing action with fun. Spoiler alert, guys. Okay. So they are enemies and they are shown as a best friend and all, but both the thing at the same time, they are maintaining the chemistry simultaneously and they have acted so well that it exactly portrays the same, and it's amazing to watch that.
The only thing that was not too good about this movie are the songs.
They have to do it for the money, bro.
Well, we totally avoid it. If there were no songs, this movie would have been better actually.
That's why it is for 3 hours. But it's not boring. You will make fun of. If you're a Gujarati, you will make fun out of it.
Even if you're not a Gujarati, you'll make fun out of it. What's that song? Dina Byali. There's nothing in that song. There's no vibe. You cannot enjoy that song no matter what. You can only enjoy that song if it is muted and you see Hrithik Roshan
dancing. Bollywood is finally changing this thing where girls are not there just for glamour.
But I'm sure it will
They're
be better.
actually doing something which is fighting.
Yes!
I could also do.
But I'm sure it will be better in Alpha.
It was so good because it had Bobby Deol. Let's talk about the climax.
Yes.
The climax was giving everything. It had every single thing.
Before we reach there, I have one thing to discuss. In this story, there will be time. A very specific song and some of the part of the movie that you'll watch and you'll feel very nostalgic. You'll miss your friends and you'll think there were friends like this that I had and I don't have them now, or we are all just apart from each other, too far from each other, or would have lost them. But you will look at that and you'll miss your friend.
So I like the climax, how they built the story very well, how they created different part of the stories and started them all simultaneously and then ended it together. Good, the fighting scene is exactly delivered what you were expecting. It was jaw-dropping climax. Every scene, every second, you cannot miss any second from the climax. It is totally a roller coaster of different emotions, and a huge dopamine hit you're going to
Here
get.
we talked a lot, so I'm just cutting to the chase that we discussed how we are going to watch Wash 2, which is a Gujarati movie, on first day, first show, most probably, and going to bring it as fast as we can. And Param Sundari is also on our list. So thank you so much. If you're still watching, let us know what we could improve. And sorry if there was any time wastage of yours that we did. Thank you.